I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to add more columns in Google Sheets. Have you ever found yourself working on a project in Google Sheets and realized you need more columns for all of your data? Whether you're organizing large sets of information, planning an event, or managing business data, having enough columns is crucial. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily add more columns to your Google Sheets, ensuring you have all the space you need for your data. Now let's walk through the steps to add more columns in Google Sheets. Step 1. Open the Google Sheets document you want to add columns to. In this example, I have a sheet that uses columns A through Z, and I want to add a few more. Step 2. Highlight the last visible column, which in this example is Z, and then right-click the column header to open a menu. Click to either insert one column left or insert one column right. Step 3. Repeat this process to add additional individual columns as needed. Alternatively, if you need to add a lot of columns, add a few individual columns, highlight those new empty columns, and then right-click any of the highlighted column headers to bring up a menu. Now you'll see the option to add the equivalent number of highlighted columns. In this example, you can see I have 4 columns highlighted, and I'm given the option to add 4 new columns to the left or to the right. In this example, I'll click to insert 4 columns to the right of my highlighted columns. Your new columns will be added. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.